Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to set up custom GPTs for personal workflows. So head over to ChatGPT, press apps on the left side panel, click the GPTs portal in the top right, and of course you can see that I cannot go to the create button, or I cannot tap the create button because I need to get ChatGPT Plus to create and share your own GPTs, right? So I'm going to tell you exactly what you need before basically putting your budget and actually create a custom GPT. You need to access the GPT builder, use the configure tab, name and describe. Give your GPT a short, memorable name and briefly define what it does. And outline step-by-step logic and formatting rules. For example, right, you want this GPT to be an executive assistant that formats raw notes into weekly update, right? And of course, you're gonna add something like keep sentences under 50 words, use bullet points, and maintain a professional tone, right? Upload knowledge files, right, to help GPT remembers exactly what format they should use, right? Like PDFs, text documents, or spreadsheets that the AI should use as reference materials or style guides. And give permissions. Under the share options, select only me so your personal workflows remain entirely private. So the best practices for personal workflows: put formatting rules and behavioral guidelines into the instructions section, not the knowledge files. Upload a document containing examples of your ideal output, like past successful emails, reports, so that GPT can emulate your exact tone and structure. Enable capability strategically. Only turn on tools you need, right? Only turn on tools you need. If you want your GPT to parse uploaded files or crunch data, make sure code interpreter is enabled, right? Iterate through testing. Use the preview panel right next to the builder to test prompts and tweak your instructions until the output is flawless, right? So consider liking this video, subscribing. If you still want to create your own GPT, go ahead and upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. Until next time, see you.